Good morning, and now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 00:15 on Thursday the 13th of September. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Thames, Dover, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fairisle and Faroes. The general synopsis at 1800. Atlantic low expected southeast Iceland 971 by 1800 on Thursday. New low expected Faroes 977 by same time. New high expected 100 miles west of Fitzroy 1026 by that time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Forth. Northwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6. Backing westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Rain at times, moderate or good. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber. North or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6. Backing southwest 5 to 7, occasional rain, moderate or good. Thames, Dover. Cyclonic, becoming north 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, becoming variable 3 or 4, then southwest 5 or 6, rain at first, becoming fair, moderate or good. White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, north or northwest 5 or 6, becoming variable 3 or 4, then west or southwest 4 or 5, except in Biscay, rain or showers, moderate or good. Trafalgar, South Fitzroy. Cyclonic in southeast Trafalgar, otherwise northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 at times, fair, good. North Fitzroy, Seoul, westerly or northwesterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 at times, mainly fair, good. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, north or northwest 3 or 4, occasionally 5, backing west or southwest 5 to 7, occasional rain, moderate or good. Shannon, west or northwest, backing southwest for a time 4, increasing 5 to 7, occasional rain, moderate or good. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, west or southwest 5 or 6, occasionally 4 at first, increasing 7 or gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later, occasional rain, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Bailey, southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8, veering west or northwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later, rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Fairisle, Faroes, west or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8 at times, rain at times, moderate or good. Southeast Iceland, cyclonic or southwesterly 5 to 7, decreasing 4 at times, rain at times, moderate or good. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, northwest 2, 21 miles, 1017, now falling. Stornoway, southwest by south 3, 14 miles, 1014, falling slowly. Lerwick, northwest by west 4, 13 miles, 1009, rising slowly. Wick Automatic, west by south 3, 13 miles, 1013, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, west by north 3, recent rain, 16 miles, 1015, rising more slowly. Lucas, west-northwest 2, 21 miles, 1016, rising more slowly. Boomer, northwest by west 2, 24 miles, 1016, rising more slowly. Bridlington, north-northwest 2, 1014, rising more slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic, northwest 7, 1 mile, 1012, now rising. St Catherine's Point Automatic, northwest by west 3, 1015, rising. Jersey, northwest 4, 13 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, northwest by west 5, 1017, rising slowly. Scilly Automatic, northwest by north 5, 16 miles, 1020, rising. Milford Haven, north by east 3, 21 miles, 1019, rising more slowly. Aberporth, North by west, 5, 12 miles, 1018, rising more slowly. Valley, north, 3, 13 miles, 1018, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, north by west, 3, 14 miles, 1017, rising more slowly. Valencia, northeast by east, 1, 24 miles, 1023, rising more slowly. Ronald's Way, northwest, 4, 1018, rising more slowly. Malin Head, west, 3, 15 miles, 1018, now falling. Machrihanish Optimatic, northwest, 4, 16 miles, 1018, rising slowly. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours. The general situation: pressure will remain high to the southwest of the United Kingdom, whilst deep areas of low pressure move northeastwards between Iceland and Scotland. Between these pressure systems, westerly or southwesterly winds will strengthen considerably, especially in the north. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. West or southwest, backing south for a time, 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, occasionally gale 8 near Cape Wrath. Rain at times, moderate or good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Variable 3 or 4, backing southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8. Fair, then rain at times, moderate or good. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. North or northwest 3 or 4, backing southwest 5 to 7. Fair at first, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. North backing southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later. Mainly fair, moderate or good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Northerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 near North Foreland at first, backing westerly or northwesterly 3 or 4, then southwesterly 5 or 6 later. Mainly fair, moderate or good. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Northerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first near North Foreland, becoming variable 3 or 4, then southwesterly 5 or 6 later. Fair, moderate or good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. North 5 or 6, backing west or northwest 3 or 4, then southwest 4 or 5 later. Fair, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. North 4 or 5, backing west or southwest 3, increasing 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Fair, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. North 4 or 5, backing west or northwest 3 or 4, then southwest 5 or 6 later. Fair, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. North or northwest 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6, occasionally 7 later. Fair, occasional rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. North or northwest 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later. Fair at first, then occasional rain, moderate or good. Isle of Man. Northwest backing southwest 3 or 4, increasing 6 or 7. Fair, rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Lough Foyle to Carlingford Lough. Westerly or northwesterly 3 or 4, backing southwesterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7, perhaps gale 8 later in north, then veering westerly 5 to 7. Occasional rain, moderate or good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Variable 3 or 4, becoming southwesterly 4 or 5, veering westerly 5 to 7 later. Occasional rain, moderate or good. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain or drizzle at times. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later, then veering west 7 to severe gale 9. Rain at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, west 5 or 6, backing southwest 6 to gale 8, veering west later. Fair, then rain or showers. Good, becoming moderate or poor. That's the end of the shipping forecast, and it also brings us to an end of programmes here on BBC Radio 4. A quick look ahead to Women's Hour. Tomorrow morning at 10, Jenny Murray will be talking to Victoria Pendleton on the pressure of being an elite athlete, winning gold at 2012, self-harm, looking feminine, and also life after cycling. But now it's time for us to join our colleagues at the BBC World Service. We'll be back at 5:20, but for now, from everyone here at BBC Radio 4, this is Zoe Diamond, hoping you sleep well. Good night.